Hello everyone, welcome back to Effortless Code Learning. In today's video, we are going to learn how to implement currency picker in a Flutter application. We will explore features like setting favorite currencies, filtering specific currencies, managing the search field, and customizing the currency picker to fit your needs. So let's get started. Currency pickers are a common feature in many financial and international applications. We will be using currency picker package to implement this feature. First, let's take a quick look at currency picker package. This package provides a simple and customizable way to pick a currency in your Flutter application. It offers a wide range of features including a searchable list of currencies, customizable appearance, and easy integration. Alright, let's add this package to our Flutter project. Here I have already set up a new Flutter project. Now let's open pubspec.yaml file and add currency picker package dependency under dependencies section. Once you have added dependency, click on pubget to install the package. Alternatively, you can open the terminal and run the command flutter pubget to achieve the same. Now the package is installed. Let's implement currency picker in our Flutter application. I will be adding currency picker inside main.dart file. Here, on click of this select currency elevated button, I will be calling show currency picker function, which is provided by currency picker package. This function has two mandatory parameters, context and onSelect. Context provides a current build context to the function. The context parameter ensures the picker is correctly integrated into the widget tree. The onSelect parameter takes a callback function that is executed when a currency is selected. This function receives a currency object as an argument representing the selected currency. Let's introduce a variable to store the selected currency. We will update this variable in the callback function using setState to ensure the application state is refreshed with the selected currency. Next, I want to display selected currency on the screen, so let's add a text widget to show selected currency name and code. We will include this text widget within an if condition to ensure it only appears when a currency is selected. Now let's take a look at how our currency picker works. When you press select currency button, currency picker dialog appears, allowing you to choose a currency. Here you can see the country flag alongside currency name and currency code. Once the currency is selected, currency name and code are displayed on the screen. So far we have set up a basic currency picker. Now let's take it a step further and customize it. We can make certain currencies appear at the top of the list by marking them as a favorite. This feature helps users quickly access commonly used currencies by listing them at the top in the currency picker. To achieve this, we use favorite property where we specify a list of currency code we want to prioritize. In our example, we will set USD and Euro as a favorite currencies, so they will appear at the top in the currency picker. Let's take a quick look at this feature now. Here you can see that USD and Euro are shown at the top for easy access, while rest of the currencies appear in their usual order below. Sometimes we might need to display only certain currencies in the picker, especially if the application supports only a limited set of currencies. For example, if an application accepts payment only in USD, Euro or GBP, the currency picker should display only these currencies. To implement this feature, first I am going to remove favorite property. Then we will use currency filter property, which allows us to specify a list of currency code that we want to display. In our code, we will configure the picker to just show 4 currencies: USD, Euro, GBP and INR. Let's take another look at this feature. Here you can see that currency picker is showing only 4 currencies specified in the currency filter property. As you can see, the currency picker has a search field at the top, allowing you to search for currencies by name or code. To show or hide this feature, use show search field property. Setting it to true will display the search field, while setting it to false will hide it. Here you can see the country flag displayed next to the currency name and code. If you want to hide the flag, simply set show flag parameter to false. This parameter controls whether the flag is shown for each currency. By default it is visible, but you can turn it off by setting show flag to false. Similarly, you can hide the currency code and currency name by setting show currency code and show currency name parameters to false. However, ensure that you don't set both the parameters to false at the same time, as this will prevent currency picker dialog from being displayed. And that's it for this video. We have successfully integrated a currency picker into Flutter application using currency picker package. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.